Parang ayoko humirit. Baka masapak ako ng di oras. Magkasing laki tayo dito, Tay.
Let's see. What are we gonna get next?
I can tell by your eyes, dying early, crying forever.
I'm gonna wait for a little bit.
In the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. There are mirrors. I don't wanna talk about it.
Interesting.
How you broke my heart.
Interesting.
If we stay here just a little bit longer, if we stay here, won't you listen to my heart? No, my heart. Thank you po. Hello po.
Anong pangalan mo?
Ako po si Erica Tenorio.
Hi, Erica.
Hello po.
Sa akin, parang sobra. Parang pinipilit mo eh. Just keep it natural lang. Kasi rock, lagyan ng growl or anything like that, right?
Or, if it doesn't lang come naturally to you, katulad kunyari ni Rod Stewart, kahit magsalita siya, meron talagang raspiness yung voice niya. Una sa lahat, it's bad for your throat.
Yeah.
So just remember that because you already have a great foundation in your voice, parang i-develop mo na lang yung asset.
Thank you po.
Hi.
Hello po.
There are things that you were doing that were like, this sounds right, pero parang hindi ako yung tamang coach for you.
Paus ka ba ngayon? Or yan talaga yung style na gusto mo? Yung medyo husky?
Husky po talaga ako.
Hindi ako umikot for you dahil sa pagiging yung rockista mo. Umikot ako dahil sa softness, sa quality, sa kulay ng boses mo.
Thank you po.
Congratulations!